Today we're gonna show you something awesome today for Easter and for the Art Break Arts Challenge. So please like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna teach you how to do a homemade hologram. First, take a paper, right, and fold it like the way the fans are folded, like the homemade paper fan. Fold it evenly on opposite sides. You know what I mean? Back and forth, back and forth. Do it as evenly as possible as you can. It may not be perfect, but you try your best. And then pick one side. If you're drawing on the left side, fold the right side in halfway. That way, the left side is going to be revealed. So just like the way you're seeing there. If you're drawing from the left side, once again, fold the right side halfway onto itself, just like that. That way, it reveals the left side. Once you're done that, you essentially have made it completely. You fold it halfway onto itself. You could draw with uninterrupted. You could draw across those lines now, and you see how that's done. After you're done, you want to flatten it too, right? You want to make sure it's nice and flattened, and then feel free to draw across the lines as you see. Now, take that, you drew on the left side, so now you're gonna fold. If you drew from the left side, you're now gonna fold the right side. You're now gonna fold the left side onto itself as to hide the drawing that you did, and it should hide it. That way you can feel free to draw on the other side. For essentially what you did to the other side, you just do to the other side now. And of course, when you're done, you could take it further. You color it, do what you want to do, you color up. Just like that. Now, do the exact same, go back, refold it again, and then reveal the other side. You see that? And then color that side. There you go. So once you're done coloring that side, you should now have a homemade hologram. And it's gonna be pretty cool. And who knows what else you can come up with. I'm curious to see what you're gonna do with your homemade Easter hologram card. Look at that. See that? If you like what you're seeing, please like, share, and subscribe, and we're gonna keep bringing you more. Thank you. But look, once you're done, watch the reveal. Just like that. You hold it up, flip it this way, you got one side, the rabbit, and of course, once you flip it the other way, it's going to reveal the hare or the jackrabbit.